Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Govind Guru Academy. Today's topic is question tag. So let's begin the topic. Before doing question tag, we have to know about abbreviation and contraction. Firstly, primary auxiliary verb abbreviation and contraction is not, contraction of is not is isn't, am not aren't, was not wasn't, were not weren't, do not don't, does not doesn't, did not didn't, has not hasn't, have not haven't, had not hadn't. Now model auxiliary verb will not, won't, would not, wouldn't, shall not, shan't, should not, shouldn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't, must not, mustn't, need not, needn't, dare not, daren't, ought not to, oughtn't to, use not, usedn't to, have not to, haven't to, has not, hasn't to, had not to, hadn't to. Now we start our topic. Firstly, introduction. What is question tag? Question tag are not a question in itself, means it's not a proper question. Don't, isn't, wasn't, these are question tag. Types of question tag. Here are two types of question tag. First, positive question tag. Second, negative question tag. Firstly, positive question tag. If question tag attached to a negative sentence, it is said to be positive question tag. Means when our statement has negative sense, then the tag will be positive. For example, he is not learning. Here is negative statement, then our tag will be positive. Is he? It is a positive tag. Structure of positive question tag. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus question mark. Auxiliary verb means is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, etc. etc. For example, this sum is not so easy. So here auxiliary verb is, and the subject will be this, and this change into it. Is it and question mark, the tag will be is it. He is not intelligent, auxiliary verb is, and then subject he, and question mark, is he. Negative question tag. Tags are said to be negative if it is attached to a positive statement. For example, he is learning, means when our statement has positive sense, then our tag will be negative. For example, he is learning, is not changed into isn't, so isn't he, and question mark. Structure of negative question tag. Auxiliary verb plus not plus subject plus question mark. For example, he is going to temple. Auxiliary verb is not plus not, is not, contraction of is not is isn't, and then subject he, and then question mark. She is very beautiful. Auxiliary verb is plus not, is not, contraction of is not is isn't, and then subject she, and then question mark. When we not use question mark in tag, then our tag will be incorrect. When there is no auxiliary verb in statement, then we use do, does, did. Means when our statement does not have is, am, are, etc. etc., then we use do, does, and did. For example, they went to temple. So here is no auxiliary verb, so we use did. According to statement, our statement is past, then we use did, didn't, and then subject they, and then question mark. When we use did, do, and does, when statement is in present tense or have first form of verb, then we use do or does. We use do when our statement is plural. We use does when our statement is singular. When statement is in past tense or have second form of verb, then we use did. Subject of statement and subject of tag. When our statement has subject this, then the tag will be it. When our subject of statement is that, then the tag will be it. When our subject of statement is these, then the tag will be they. When our subject of statement is those, then the tag will also they. When our subject of statement is it, the tag will also it. Some examples of question tag. Am going to school. Here is positive sense, so am not, contraction of am not is aren't, and then subject I, and then question mark, so tag will be aren't I. He is very good dancer. Auxiliary verb is not, contraction of is not is isn't, and then subject he, and then question mark, tag will be isn't he. He is not a good chef. he is not a good chef. Auxiliary verb is subject he and then question mark. He go to school. Here is no auxiliary verb. So according to sentence, here it is a present tense and singular. So we use does not change into doesn't, and then subject he and question mark. So tag will be doesn't he. Am not a good singer. Am not change into aren't, and then subject I aren't I. So it is our today's video. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.